Are you ready to forget the cumbersome and laborious ways of splitting firewood? In this episode of Go Wood, we reveal cutting-edge tools and groundbreaking ideas to help you make splitting wood easy and inspiring. Please accept it. Smooth. This is what to describe for Pinosa Net EPC 400, the fastest wood processing machine in the world today. Since we work with wood, have not seen any machine surpass it. If you are a business, maybe you should be interested in it. From the old plow combined with the skillful hands of the artisans. To add to them the conical splitter to split the oak logs easily. Homemade wood splitters are a perfect combination of creativity and necessity. They are not just tools but also a reflection of practical ingenuity and the desire to make difficult work easier and less boring. A master of firewood splitting, it emerges as a symphony of precision and power. Every cut is smooth. Every action is reliable. The balance set up between safety and speed makes it ideal for any firewood enthusiast. Would splitter like this before connecting to a tractor axle. What a clever idea. Awesome how the cone design makes splitting look effortless. You should research it and make your own. quietly in the cabin and enjoy splitting firewood. It's like you're a conductor, conducting a big band. MS-660 versus Husqvarna 560 XP is a powerful chainsaw that can cut hardwood trees up to several dozen inches in diameter. Combined with the skillful hands of the operator, they make them even more powerful. Crushing wood with the Bandit Model 18 XP is like feeding a monster. No matter how much you give it, it will swallow it all. With large trees with a diameter of over 20 centimeters, the Bandit Model 18 XP only takes a few short minutes to crush them all. Clever idea from farmers who love chopping wood. Absolute power with hydraulics. Smooth combination with a beautiful 8-part split head. With a compact design that is not too sophisticated, but it is combined with a powerful hydraulic system to effectively split firewood. It can handle any type of wood in the world.